import. What more if we have an import? So that's why we don't have to rely on anyone. We have to rely on the team. And that's what I'm going to tell to the players. Dahil lumabas talaga yung tunay na laro ng San Miguel. I keep on telling those people na calling me na he's still in the lineup, but because of his Achilles injury, so we cannot force him to play. But he's here. Every practice namin, he's in the practice, but he's not practicing. And Coach Al told him, you have to stay and get some treatment to the doctor. And when you're ready, so let's see. Okay? That's why maraming write-up. Imagine guys, if we suck him, okay, maybe he's not around. Okay? And then makikita nyo siguro doon sa kung nasa lineup pa siya o wala. AC is, he helped us to win a championship last year. Okay, that's why we love him, but we cannot force him to play because of his injury. And anybody naman from the players, if your career is on the line, so you will not gamble. Okay. Pero yung Pilipino, pagka na-spray, papagpag lang yan. Ganyan. Tayo.